एक बहुत ही बड़ा क्वेश्चन है हमारे लिए, क्या हमें अपने बच्चों को बोर होने देना चाहिए या हमें झट से उनको कुछ और चीज देनी चाहिए ताकि मेरे बच्चे बोर नहीं हों. इट्स अ कॉमन टर्म विच इज बीइंग यूज्ड टुडे कि आई एम गेटिंग बोर्ड in spite of having all the gadgets all around them, all the things around them, but the children would come up, I am getting bored. But is it good to allow them to be getting bored? Yes, let them be bored for some times, because it helps the child develop few different kind of skills. First is value skills. They learn when they get bored, they get time to evaluate themselves, go back to their experiences and see what helped them and what not. This really helps the children grow some valuable skills. It helps developing their creativity also. जब बोर हो जाते हैं ना तो वो they are forced to think what to do. Otherwise, if you feed them with the spoon all the time, they don't know what to do. So it helps them develop their own systems, own तरीकाज to कि उसको मैं कैसे डील करूँ, तो वो क्रिएटिविटी में आ जाता है. It develop the intrinsic motivation, they motivate, they become self-motivated. So it is very important for the child to get bored.